Kelly Shaffner here, Kelly Shaffner here. I think I have an echo. I wanted to film in front of my cross walls. I hope the sound is okay. Hi everyone, I want to welcome you. I'm so glad that you joined me today. My Nadine West is here and I'm dying to get into it. So if you want to see what's inside this pink package, I'll try everything on. Stick around. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'm really glad that you're here. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I make videos about women's clothing. That's what I do. If you like those kinds of videos, I would love to have you join me again. My Nadine West came in today, and normally I might wait a day or two to open my Nadine West package, but we had a cold front. Yes, it is chilly here. You can see I'm actually wearing a sweatshirt and I'm wearing Ugg boots. The ones that Elijah took a bite out of, so I won't share those with you today. I'm kind of hoping that there's some fall fashions in this pink package. Nadine West does send me this package for free in exchange for an honest review. So that's what I'm going to do today. And again, I really hope there's some cozy fashion in here because I don't feel like wearing a tank top. It's cold. I'm cold. I'm always cold. Let's get into this. If you want more information about Nadine West, everything that I know is in the description box below. You can get a Nadine West for yourself just by following the links in the description box below. Let's open this up. Now, you do have to be really careful with your Nadine West with the pink bag. They reuse these, and so anything that you don't want, you send back in the same pink package, and they're always a bear to get into. I did it! I got it open. This is what the inside of the package looks like. So we do have several bundles, and they're big and fat. Okay, this is bundle number 1. The colors look good. We've got some burgundy and some olive, and it looks like a peach color there. What's next? Ooh! Some jewels, and these are not bundled, which is a little bit unusual. 3 sets of jewels, and it looks like we have some mixed metals. Yay, I love Nadine West jewelry. And here, mustard and navy, 2 of my favorite colors. This bundle has come undone. And this is the last bundle. So more navy, and this is really interesting. Shall we look? Let's look and see. What do we have? Please, not a short dress. No, I don't need a short dress. What are you? Oh, it's a short dress. It looks like a short dress. So this is by Timing. Wow, this is such a pretty color. I'm going to put some leggings on and I'll share this with you. In every Nadine West bag, there is a shipping label. And if there's anything that doesn't work for you or you don't want, you just put it back in the pink package, put your mailing label on that and send it back via the post office. It's very easy. And there's also an invoice. And this, I believe I have 12 pieces of clothing. I'm going to try to move through it very quickly. Okay, the first top that I tried is just a really super stretchy, this is like a layering piece. This is by the brand Bazzolo, and they called this one the Zainab top. I don't know where they come up with the names for these items, but this one's the Zainab. This one's $23.49. It does have a bit of a collar there, but it isn't quite a mock neck. This is a really nice layering piece. It's super silky. It's ribbed. Can you see that? It is ribbed throughout, so it is a fitted piece. This will be great under sweaters, under a cardigan. Great color for the fall. Happy to have this one. It's a very tight fitting top. I wouldn't wear this on its own, although you could if you wanted to. Let's talk about the jewelry because I was wearing the Zainab top when I tried on all of the jewelry. First up, we have a necklace. Nadine normally sends me 1 necklace, 1 pair of earrings, and a bracelet option. This is the necklace this time. It is a mixed metal. This one is called the Dahlia necklace in the mixed metals. And this reminds me of a necklace that I got in all silver from Stitch Fix, except this one has a very dainty chain on it, and the chain is longer. It's a silver chain, but we do have silver and kind of a bronzy metal, so I am really enjoying the mixed metals right now. The good news is this necklace is only $19.99, so that is kind of a nice price tag, because I've been noticing most of the necklaces I have been receiving are in the $25 price range. So $19 seems like a good price for this necklace. Next up are the bracelets. Can you see there's 5 bracelets here? And Nadine sent me a set of 5 bracelets in one of my past Nadine West bags. And I really didn't know what to think about the bracelets. I haven't been wearing these really thin bracelets like this all together. I tend to wear bangles or something like this if I'm going to wear multiple bracelets. This one is called the Rosie. It's $9.99, and these are just kind of just cheap plastic beads, but they're fun. You can see that one has one special bead on it. This one has one special bead. I don't know if you can read it. I'll put a close-up. There's a gold bracelet here, a silver bracelet, and the silver one is actually my favorite. It's really, really simple, and it has the heart on it. I don't know. I think I would wear any one of these bracelets, these two together, but any one of these bracelets single, all by itself. I think I would enjoy wearing that. When you pair them all together, they really tangle. This is the Rosie. What do you think about this look? Have you seen it? Have you worn it? All right, back to the clothing. I have a t-shirt. I call this a Varsity Tee. This is a short sleeve navy blue t-shirt with some stripes on the sleeve. So if it has stripes, I call it Varsity. I like this one a lot. Nadine calls this one the Shoshana. This one is $24.49. It does have a longer length, which I really appreciate. It's so nice to get the tops that are not cropped, and I will definitely wear this. It is very stretchy. Lots of spandex in this one, and it feels like silk. It feels so nice on. So although this is not necessarily a winter item, I do have a couple varsity cardigans. I call them varsity because they have stripes on them that are going to pair so beautifully with this top that feels amazing, the Shoshana. Next up is the Aurora top, and this is just a camisole, and it is spandex. There's a lot of compression in this top, but it also has that lace detail at the neckline. This one's called the Aurora. It's $23.49. I have this top. Nadine sent it to me in a baby blue, and I thought you can never have too many camisoles. Now, I think that this cross detail really limits how I can wear a camisole like this. I do appreciate that it is a longer length, and I love the color of this. I don't know that it's the best fit for me, though. I feel like it hits really high on my arm, but so I don't know. I don't know about this one. I think it fits the same way that the baby blue one fits. I will probably get some use out of this. We'll see. The Aurora, $23.49. I got so excited about this piece because I love a mustard top. This one is by the brand Capella, and Nadine calls this the lay off top. It is an off the shoulder top. It is $11.99. It's a brush knit. It's a size medium. I think it fits me too tight. I couldn't figure out how to wear it on my shoulders. Maybe if it was in one size larger, I would understand it better. I was real excited about this top. I did not care for the fit of this top on me, but one size larger, I might love this one. Nadine sent me some pants, and these are some pull-on elastic waist pants. These have pockets, and these are a wide leg, and they are a shorter length. They are a crop wide leg pant. They feel amazing. These are a polyester blend, And I was actually really surprised when I put these on. I think these could be styled in a number of ways. When I saw them out of the bag, I thought casual. I'm going to put on a t-shirt and a pair of kicks and see how I feel. I felt very comfortable in them. But I also think I might be able to pair these with some knee boots and a sweater. I was happily surprised when I put these on how comfortable they were, how fun they were to wear. These are called the Sandra. They are by Lelise, and these are only $19.99. I think these are a big win. One more pair of pants. These pants are called the Selena. I have a niece named Selena and shoes named Selena. I tend to buy and wear anything that is named after one of my nieces. So these are an elastic waist pull on. These are navy. I thought they were black, so I did try them on with a black tank so I could show you what they look like. They do have a drawstring, but all elastic waist. They do not have pockets, and they are a very wide leg, which I kind of enjoy. They were very comfortable. These are high-waisted. Let me get up close so you can see. These are almost like pleated. I can feel the pleating in them. I don't know if you can see it though, because it is very subtle. But yeah, these are red, white, and blue Selena pants. They are $22.99. I really like these. And the brand is New Mix. Have you been waiting for the dress? Here is the dress. And yes, on the invoice, it does say that it is a dress. It is not a tunic, and it is very short. This one is called the Lois by Timing. And it's so cute. I wish it were a little bit longer. It is in a wine color, and it's a floral. It is a true wrap dress. It does button on the inside, which I like the button so much better than the little tie on the inside. It's very low cut, so I did have to pin it. And it also kind of comes up at the top, so you'd have to be very careful if you wore this as a dress and didn't wear leggings or jeans or something underneath it, because yeah, it's cut really short. It does have a very cute ruffle around it. I tried this on with some leggings that Nadine sent me in a past bag and some knee boots, and I liked it. I don't know if it's really a look that I would ever wear anywhere. Although this dress is very cute and very affordable, it's not exactly my style. If it had 6 more inches of length, it probably would be my style, but there you have it. This is the Lois dress. My favorite piece I saved for the last. You're not gonna believe what it's called. It's a sweatshirt. This is called the Kelly sweatshirt. Yep. They named this sweatshirt after me, but they didn't spell it like I spell my name. This is a color block sweatshirt. It is so warm and cozy, and there's burgundy on the bottom, black, and then a mauve or pink color. It is a drop shoulder sweatshirt. It does have ribbing on the waist and the sleeves, and this is fabulous. I was so happy to see something that I could slip right into if I chose to take my Optimist sweatshirt off and put this on and feel like $1,000,000. This one is plenty long. This is a great kick around, run errands sweatshirt named after me. Yeah. Wow. So I'm very happy with this piece. Oh, I almost forgot the earrings. The earrings, here are the earrings. These are the Alicia. These are also a mixed metal, and they're in a really fun style. They're bigger than anything I have. I have so many earrings in this exact same style. The dangles, the mixed metals. I like them. I like them a lot. These are only $11.99. I love that Nadine West will send very affordable fashion jewelry, because I love to wear that. So guys, that is everything that I got in my Nadine West this time. It was so much fun. I am really excited to wear my new sweatshirt because that's how I'm feeling. The weather is crisp and I just want to snuggle up in something warm right now. But I also enjoy some of the tops I got, the pants I got. This was a fun bag. What do you think about this bag? What was your favorite piece in this bag? Leave it in the comments below. I love to hear what you think about the items that I try on. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Make sure you subscribe on your way out if you haven't done that already, because I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Blessings to all of you. Really? You're gonna do that on my video?